Hi, today I'm going to guide you how to operate this safe box. Once you receive the safe box, there will be keys. You need to open first time with the keys. You can open from here, just pull it out, insert the key, turn it to the left side and this on the right side. The safe box is open. Now remove your hand, open here, and you need to install the batteries first. I have already installed it. So there is 4 pieces of alkaline batteries you have to install, and you have to install this back. Now you can use with the code. The default code is 159 hash. It's open. As long as it's green, you can open. And if you want to change, wait for light to go off. There is nothing on LCD. Just come here, and there is a button, reset button. Just press it once. All right. And now enter new password. For example, 1245. You can press hash. When it's green, it means done. You do one thing before closing. Just try your new password. Is it working or not? It's working. Now you can use your new password. That's all.